Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego minifigure scaled RC truck. So these are the pieces you'll need. A 1x3 plate, 2 1x1 plates with clips on the top, I don't know the name of these pieces, so I'll describe it. A bar with circles, 2 places. You need 2 of those. A bar, I think 3 long, with like a bigger bar with a hole in it, like a hollow, and then a clip on the end. And then you attach the bigger one, the bigger bar with the hole in it, and the bar would just go in, and it would attach very tightly, just like this. You need to do 2 of those. You need a double-sided 1x1 plate, double-sided 1x1 plate, and a 1x1 round or stud with a hole in it. Those are kind of rare, so you might not have them. You can't just use this. You have to use this or the both, or this would just on its own wouldn't work. So first you take the 1x3 plate, and then the 2 clips go this way. And you do that on both sides. Just remember, this part will be upside down. Then you take these pieces. They're the most important piece, or else like the wheels would just be too weak to be on it. So you take this and that. See? The round with the hole, then the double-sided piece. It's attaching onto one side, any side you want. And then you take these things we built when I was showing you the pieces. That goes in the holes. That's why there was holes in the stud and the 1x1 double-sided plates, because those have holes in the studs. Just remember, if you want it to be neat, you could put them the same. This clip is like this. They're facing away, except they're in the same. Like if this is straight, this plate connection is straight, and this is the same way as all of them. Now that we've got where the wheels are going to attach, let me get that. You take these weird bar things and then you put them there on the clips. Then you put the wheels. Sometimes they can get really loose, like the wheels, but they're supposed to attach like that. It's a weird thing about this. And then the clips go onto the smaller bar. The cool fact about it is it can climb over rocks. See, the wheels can spin. Go like that. Now it can climb on walls. But it can still just fall. That's how you build a minifigure scaled Lego RC truck. Bye! Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego
Okay. What else are you
Hi
going to
guys, today I'm gonna build a Lego computer.